Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point this morning the price was all the way down there, but it's since then been a little battle back up to where it has. Definitely a good move, definitely a very respectable move, but that does now bring them up the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it overall on a single area, and that area is down here at this location of, let's see, what is that? The 16-cent mark. Why is 16 cents important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen. Actually, you know what? Given the 200 period movements down there, let's go to 15 cents. Yeah, that makes more sense. That way you have that lows and the 200 period moving average. But let's say that, and again, like I said, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down here to 15, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can just go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote unquote, progress being defined as 15 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch moving forward is all about that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average. So as time goes on next week, that line will move itself and get more and more relevant. So keep a close eye on that. It's basically like a downtrending trend line that's going to draw itself for you. So watch that. But all in all, very respectable bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.